Hi friends! Today we will make cozy winter crafts with bright colors. I will go slow. You can pause me anytime. We will look at happy pictures. Short videos from www.pexels.com. Craft 1. Snowy shape collage. Take blue paper. Tear white paper into soft clouds. Glue them on like snow. Add cutout circles. Add cutout stars. Tap, tap, press. Say, snow. Craft 2. Cotton ball snowman. Draw 3 big circles. 1, 2, 3. Put glue inside the circles. Stick cotton balls on. Squishy and fluffy. Add a paper hat. Add a little scarf. Add a smile. Orange triangle nose. Beep. Craft 3. Rainbow mittens. Trace your hand on paper. Now flip and trace again. 2 mittens. Color with crayons. Color with markers. Red, blue, yellow, green. Draw tiny snowflakes. Dot, dot, dot. Craft 4. Ice paint swirls. Ask a grown-up for a tray. Put a little blue paint. Put a little white paint. Add a drop of water. Swirl with a spoon. Swirl with a safe brush. Watch the colors mix like winter sky. Color game. Winter hunt. Look around the room. Can you find something white like snow? Something blue like mittens? Something red like a warm hat? Point and say the color. Ready to show your art? Hold it up high. Take a big, calm breath. In and out. Great job, little artists. Thank you for making colorful winter crafts with me. See you next time. Bye-bye.